Macros in FreeCAD. Hey there everyone, in this video we will talk about macros and let me show you the potential of macro. In order to create macro, all you need to do is you need to go on the top and then you have actually two options here. Either you can record the steps and can create your macro, or you can choose option number 2, which lets you create macro using Python. And in order to create macro, you need to click here on create. And then let's say, I would like to create a macro that can create a rectangle. So here I'm going to say rec, and then I'm going to say FCM, which is FreeCAD. And then I'm going to say macro. Now let's hit OK. And now here I'm going to paste a code that I will also provide you in the description of this video. So what this code does is it's going to create our model using program. So here, what I am asking is to create a rectangle whose value we're going to provide. Okay, now let me click on save. Now again, I'm gonna go on the top macro and then execute macro. Now the code have option to provide certain variable value. So here, let's say you would like to make a rectangle. So here I'm gonna provide value of it. So let's say width was 1500 and then height I'm gonna say 300, and the thickness let's make it 50 and hit OK. And there we go. We have created this part just by entering the variable. And there we go. So I would say macro is quite helpful whenever we need to create a similar kind of part or repetitive part quickly. Now, what if I would like to create a new macro? I would say use AI to generate code, and that's how you can come up with your own customization. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow entire FreeCAD series, and I will see you around.